Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our product.php file, and in the previous video we have added the barcode field, product name field and the category field, and now after the category we need to add a description. So for the description, let's go on our code editor, and from here I can copy this line of code, and instead of input, let me show you. Instead of this input I can give here the text area. Okay, so let me write text area. Okay, and let me close here. Perfect. But inside the text area, the type of the text area, we can remove the type. Okay, and the class will be form control and placeholder enter description, and name attribute will be txt description, and one attribute we need to give here rows, and the rows will be 4. Okay, now let's save and let's see the output. Refresh our file. Perfect. Okay, you can see here enter description. We need to change here description. Okay, and we can remove this example input, and we can remove this from here. Okay, and from here. Perfect. Let's save and see the output. Okay, and now we have barcode, product name, a category and description. Now we need here stock field, then purchase price, then sale price, and then choose image option. So simply in the second division you can see here call class call hyphen md hyphen 6, and inside this now I can write code for the stock. So I just paste again date line, input type text, and input type we need here number instead of text. Okay, and class will be form control, placeholder enter stock, and let me give the space here, and txt stock. Okay, now let's save and see the output. Perfect. You can see here we can increase the number from here 1 2 3 5, and we can give any number here. And now you can see here we cannot input the alphabets in this field. This is only for the numbers. So we can give here the name stock instead of product name. Let's go on our editor and remove this first, and here I can give stock quantity. Okay, and here one thing more I can give here the attribute which will be the min. Okay, and min is equal to, I can give here 1. Okay, and another attribute will be step. Okay, and the step I can give any. Let's save and let's go on our browser. Let's refresh, and now you can see the stock quantity, and you can see here we can increase 1 2, and we can decrease, but we cannot back to the -1 -2 or the 0, because we have given here the min attribute is 1. Okay, and you can see here on my browser the input step attribute or about the min attribute. The min attribute specifies the minimum value for an input element, and use the min attribute together with the max attribute to create range of legal values, and so on. Okay, and just like that you can see here the step attribute of the HTML tags. The step attribute specifies the interval between legal numbers in an input element. Example, if step 3, legal numbers could be -3, 0, 3 and 6, etc. Okay, so we have given there this any instead of any number. So let's go on our browser and you can see the code. So the same code we can copy for our let me arrange the lines for the purchase price and for the sale price. So let's copy this, and just after that let's paste and give here the purchase price, and here we can give txt purchase price. Okay, and the same thing we can do here, sale price, and let's copy the sale price and give here txt sale price. Let's remove the space between them, and now let's save and let's see the output. Refresh our. Perfect. You can see here the barcode, the product name, category, description, the stock quantity and the purchase price. We can increase the number from here. Okay, and we can give here the number, and you can see the sale price. And after that here we need a button for choose the image of the product or item. So let me write code for that, and simply let's copy this line and just paste here, and simply here division class form group, and for the label here I can give simple product image, and after the product image the type, input type will be file instead of text. So for the image we are using here file. Then class, okay, class form control, but instead of form control here I am going to give input group hyphen group. Okay, and the placeholder we don't need here the placeholder, so remove this, and name attribute we can give here product image, product image, and it is required. Yes, it is required, but after the input I can give here the paragraph tag ptag, and inside the ptag I can write upload image. Okay, perfect. Now let's save and see the output. Perfect. You can see here product image. We can choose the image from here. You can see I have lots of sample images we will upload in our product.php file when we write code. Okay, and now let's cancel, and now we need to add a button. Okay, add a button here. So what I need to do, simply let's go on our text editor and let's go on our registration.php, and in the footer you can see we have the code of the button. So let's copy this code and let's go on at product.php, and just before the form tag let's paste the button here, save and see the output, it is working or not. So you can see here save button. Oh, let's remove this from here and let's paste just after this. Okay, and let's save and see the output. Okay, so let's open our code editor and Ctrl Z, and after this I will paste that button code. Okay, submit, save. And one thing more I can give here for the button, I can give here a division class, and the class I can give here text center, and I can close this division here. Save, and let's see the output. Perfect. You can see here it is responsive. You can see here the responsive view of this page. Awesome. Perfect. And we can choose the image here. We can save. We can give the name here, save product. Okay, and the button will be the primary, save product. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. In the next video we will write code for saving all the records, and we will fetch out the categories from the database, and we will write code for choose the image and for saving the image using of this button. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me the question, and we will work with the barcode from the next video. I will show you how can we add the barcode library for saving the barcode of any product, or I will show you a technique to produce or to generate a random barcode for any product which have no any barcode. Okay, so see you in next video.